you pop your top, and how you lose your cool, and how you look at me too. Say why? It ain't no fighting, no I can't stop it. This took a while. For the way you pump your fist, how you bust your hip for my affection. Tryna be down, no fighting, no stopping. Stick around.
Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm partnering up with HerGivenHair once again to show you guys how to do 5 hairstyles that are simple and classy for work and school. So for this video, I used 4 clip-ins. I used 1 clip-in that has 5 clips, 1 that has 4 clips, and 2 that have 3 clips. So this is the HerGivenHair Ombre clip-ins. It's a really nice like ginger honey blonde color towards the ends. And if you missed my installation video, then I'll leave a link up top and down below. So we're gonna get right into it with hairstyle number 1. I'm just spritzing my hair with some water, taking my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control to just slick back my hair, and I'm going to just twist the front of my hair and pin it back with a bobby pin to make sure that it's secure.
Aggressive, you like it when I tell you how I want it, tell you how I need it, tell you I don't wanna have to repeat it. Baby, tell me.
After twisting both sides and securing them with a bobby pin, I'm just gonna take all of the hair and gather it into a low ponytail, and this is hairstyle number 1.
No, girl, no, no.
Alright, so for hairstyle number 2, I'm just going to apply a little bit more of that edge control, brush it back, and then take 2 bobby pins and clip the top of my hair together. Now I'm going to take a scrunchie and just kind of ball up the top of the hair into a very small, tight bun. And this is hairstyle number 2.
Yeah.
So hairstyle number 3 was actually requested that I do this when I was protective styling a lot in April. Yeah, April, when I didn't feel like doing my hair much. I did this hairstyle a lot, so I'm just leaving a little piece of my hair out, putting the rest of my hair into like a loose, kind of messy bun. And I'm just going to take out a piece in the back. Take some of my fresh curl, apply that to the piece in the back, and a little bit to the pieces in the front. And then I'm just going to brush the front. And this is hairstyle number 3.
Be proud of, the type of girl I want to turn into a mama. The type of girl that I'm already proud of.
Alright, so hairstyle number 4 is basically like hairstyle number 1. I just twisted both sides of my hair and then secured it with a bobby pin. But I'm going to put both sides into 2 ponytails, gather those 2 ponytails, then roll it up as you can see and pin it. And this is hairstyle number 4. So for hairstyle number 5, I tried to get my part as straight and centered as possible, and I slicked the front of my hair down so that it can have a sleek look. And now I'm just kind of doing a half bun. I'm not putting the bun all the way through. You can see the hairs that are sticking up a little bit. And I'm just going to bobby pin the top just to make it a little bit more flat. And this is hairstyle number 5.
Tell me I never should worry.
Alright, so that is it for this video, you guys. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite hairstyle is. Mine was definitely 1 and 3. Those have to be like my top hairstyles. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Tell me I never should worry. That's the end of the story. That's the end of the story. That's the end of the story.